What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you the difference between the stock exhaust and the Cb300f made by Honda. Stock exhaust sound versus M4 exhaust. Alright, let's try this. Black on black and black and black. This is my big one. 1000 mile. Anyway, go back to this. Cb300f stock exhaust sound. So about half an hour later, and here's the exhaust M4. I removed the M4 sticker because I'm going like we're going on the black and black. Everything is black. So this is the heat guard. This is the exhaust. Very simple. Got one screw here, one screw here, and one screw there, and this is for the heat guard. Alright, so let's start it and see how it sounds like, guys. Just like I thought, it's gonna be sound awesome. It makes people hear you when you're on the road. Definitely you need to be heard in traffic, so especially with a little bike like this. So good luck to you guys. If you have any questions or comments, just comment below. Thank you.